Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the best accounting software integrations for Fundbox. Now, if you're a small business owner like me, you know that cash flow is king. When you need quick access to working capital, Fundbox can be a lifesaver. But the speed of their approval process often comes down to how quickly and easily they can assess your financial health. And that's where your accounting software comes in. In my experience, a smooth integration is what makes all the difference. Fundbox officially supports a solid list of platforms, but few really stand out as the best for a seamless experience. First up, QuickBooks Online. This is the gold standard for a reason. Because so many small businesses use it, Fundbox's integration with QuickBooks Online is incredibly robust. I found that connecting my account was quick and painless. It securely provides Fundbox with all the necessary data, like my invoicing history and accounts receivable, which speeds up the review process significantly. If you use QuickBooks, this is absolutely your smoothest path to funding. Next, let's talk about FreshBooks. If you're a service-based business, freelancer, or solo entrepreneur, you probably already love FreshBooks for its invoicing and time tracking features. Fundbox has a great integration here too. For me, because my business is heavily invoice-based, FreshBooks gave Fundbox a clear picture of my revenue stream and outstanding payments. It felt tailored to a smaller, service-focused operation, which was a huge advantage. Another major player is Xero. Xero is a fantastic cloud-based option, especially if you want a lot of features and good third-party integration support overall. The connection to Fundbox is very reliable. If you have a growing business and appreciate a clean, modern interface and strong reporting, Xero works beautifully with Fundbox to get them financial data they need efficiently. The key takeaway from my own journey is this. The better and cleaner the data Fundbox can pull directly from your accounting software, the faster your application process will be. Stick with one of the major, supported integrations like QuickBooks Online, FreshBooks, or Xero to ensure that all your crucial financial data, invoices, payment, and balances, is synced correctly. This maximizes your chances for a quick and favorable funding decision. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.